Okay, so now in this exercise, we're going to do 3-point looking down. So I did the same thing. This would be a representation of the piece of paper. This would be vanishing point 1, vanishing point 2, vanishing point 3. This is the horizon line. The vanishing points are always on the horizon line, which is your eye level. So we're going to make 3 buildings in 3-point perspective looking down. Imagine if you were in a helicopter hovering above buildings. This is how you would see them. So again, the vanishing points are off the page because if you went outside and were drawing this, the vanishing points would be so far away from where you were drawing and they wouldn't be on your piece of paper. So I'm going to start going up from vanishing point 3. That line is straight. I'm going to go right next to it. This line is going to be diagonal. So it is like 2-point, except for the sides are diagonal. I'm going to pick a top and a bottom for my building. Okay, so now from this point, I'm going to connect this point to vanishing point 2. This point to vanishing point 1. This point to vanishing point 1. This point to vanishing point 2. Now I'm gonna, since we're looking at the buildings underneath the horizon line, they're not going over the horizon line. We're going to see the top of the box or the building. I'm just erasing these lines here. So I'm going to go from this point right here to vanishing point 2. And this point to vanishing point 1. Okay. Now I'm going to darken my building with the black colored pencil. And this is the top of the building. I'm just shading that in. If there were lines or windows on the side, the ones on this side would be going to vanishing point 2. Again, you don't have to draw all the way through unless you want to, if you have a ruler. And the lines on this side would be going to vanishing point 1. Okay. Now I'm going to make a building next to it. So I'm just going to make 2 diagonal lines going up from vanishing point 3, which in this case is on the bottom. In the last sketch, it was on the top. Okay, I'm going to pick a bottom and a top for my building. So from this point, I'm going to vanishing point 1. And from this point, I'm going to vanishing point 2. From this point, I'm going to vanishing point 1. And from this point, I'm going to vanishing point 2. Now, I'm going to erase some of these top lines and these from the other building. I'm going from this point to vanishing point 2. But like I want to figure out, I'm imagining from vanishing point 3 where this building would end, and I would erase it, right? But say it ends right here, right? So this would go to vanishing point 1, and that's going to tell me how the top is, right? So I'm going to get my black colored pencil. And then if I want, actually, before I do anything, I'm going to erase this line I made because that wouldn't be in the drawing. That was just to tell me where the top was. So if there were lines on the side, the lines on this side would be going to vanishing point 1. And the lines on this side would be going to vanishing point 2. I'm going to make one more building over here. So I'm going to go diagonal up from vanishing point 3. I'm making 2 lines. I'm going to pick a bottom and a top. So I'm going to connect this to vanishing point 2. I went all the way through because I know I'm not going to draw anything else over here. But if you are, you're going to have to erase it. So sometimes you might not want to go all the way through. Like, for example, on this side, if this is going to vanishing point 1, but if I draw all the way through, I'm going to have to erase it. So I'm just going to draw on my ruler to there. And this is going to vanishing point 1. Then I'm going to erase these lines. There's going to be a lot of erasing in perspective drawing. Then I'm going to imagine where this kind of ends, and then I'm going to come up from vanishing point 3. Right? Just to imagine how the building would look, I'm going to connect this point to vanishing point 1 and this point, imaginary point, to vanishing point 2 because it's behind, but that shows me how to do the top if they're overlapping. Okay, I'm going to get my black colored pencil. And define. And then this will be the top of this building. And I'm going to want to erase this that I drew in to help me find where the top would be because that's not in the drawing or the sketch. And then if I want lines on this side, they're going to vanishing point 2. And on this side, they're going to vanishing point 1. Okay, so that's 3 point looking down. Now, again, this is like 2 point, except for the sides are slanted to a vanishing point down here. When you're looking down, when you're looking up, it's a vanishing point up here. That's vanishing point 3. So this side is very diagonal. This is straight because it's right above vanishing point 3, and this is slightly diagonal. That is 3 point. In this one, we are seeing the tops of the buildings because the buildings are under the horizon line. In the last drawing, looking up, we didn't see the tops because the building, or the bottoms, because the buildings were over the horizon line. I'm going to stop here.